Let us again remind ourselves, let us see from the childhood what children's games are there. Some wonderful game. They want to fly. Therefore you see the kite or some balloon filled with neutral gases, inert gases. Balloon is going up. The kite, children are here, balloon is there in the sky. It means intuitively we have this message that we can sit here on this earth, with the next body we can go anywhere in the world. In order to fulfill that dream we have astral body. We have one great desire to help all and bring the peace everywhere. Try to make each and every person realize that our path is non-violence, ahimsa. In order to fulfill this desire, we have causal body. Therefore, with the help of physical body, astral body, causal body, we are able to fulfill all dreams and desires of incarnations. We have desired to sit on the moon, it is possible. How? Through the astral body. This physical body will be here. Astral body, which is associated with this, inseparable, it has power to go. How? As we are breathing in and out, air is having power to go anywhere. Yes, it is there. Inside life force is flowing. It is radiating outward. It is going everywhere. In the same way, try to observe our childhood. Whatever imagination children are having, it is all unfulfilled desires. Children play hide and seek game. One child is hiding, others are seeking. It means we have this intuitive knowledge that we can hide ourselves. We can make ourselves disappear. And children feel really great joy. They appear instantly. Oh, I'm here. They feel very good. Surprise, they want to give surprise. We have intuitive this desire to manifest anywhere, wherever we decide. Therefore, try to remember, in order to fulfill all dreams and desires, eyes are created, ears are created, nose and tongue, legs and arms, this head to toes, this, and astral body, causal body. We have one more desire, how to create physical body, astral body, causal body. Then we have great power how to enter into omnipresence consciousness inside Parabram. Therefore, try to remember, as you see the sun is a star shining and giving light to us. There are many stars. They are being 1,000 times larger than this sun, but they are very far. We find their light is very small. Very little light is coming here. In the same way, there are many people in the world. They are very great, but they are not working like sun. They are working like a star. Without a star, there is no beauty of the sky. Therefore, many persons on this earth, they are very good in nature. They are living very good life. They are living in a home, a small town and village. Some are in city, this place to that place. They are bringing light to the society. But there are few gifted, more advanced soul, working like sun. Suppose there is somebody like a stars. Then try to remember this, that a star is far, therefore it appears small. But the size of a star is much more bigger than sun. In the same way, moment you experience far, distance and time, we cannot experience our glory. Our glory is hidden when we become moody. What is the meaning of moody? Today you are happy, you are serving all persons of the home. You are serving your friends and guests, everybody. Then become moody. Now you don't have desire to do anything. When you are moody, that is called the dark phase of the moment. Therefore, when you practice Kriyayoga meditation, then you will realize our moodiness disappears. But you cannot practice Kriyayoga meditation unless you select one person on this earth to whom you pay highest respect and honor, irrespective of their behavior. You have to select one, whoever, wherever. Until you are not having this opportunity, our moodiness will not disappear. It will exist. Therefore, what is the conclusion? There are many persons who are working like black coal, charcoal, giving no light, appearing dark. But that coal or charcoal, when they are in contact with some spark of heat, a spark of burning heat, that black coal, charcoal becomes red and it starts radiating light and heat. In the same way, you find someone who is very ignorant, but remember that ignorant is also having the full capability to reach to the height of Lahiri Mahasaya, to Buddha, to Jesus, to anyone. Therefore, we should remember these possibilities of each and every person is infinite. They may not be knowing it, but you should know it. If you know it, the possibilities of self is also great. They have to demonstrate all possibilities. Let us a spark of Kriya Yoga should touch all the time with the self at two toes. Practice and practice Kriya Yoga and start serving more and more. When you start serving more and more, then you will realize that you are growing very nicely. Every day will find Maya is covering like cloud. Inside sun is not able to radiate peace and joy. Again try it. Again practice and serve. And try to believe one day you will reach to that height. Every morning and evening when you are in practicing seclusion, try this. They will find life is journey from discomfort to all pervading comfort, from the darkness to light, from illusionary perception, mortality to immortality.